Hi guys, welcome to another video on our channel. This Peugeot 206 car is an extremely enduring and the body of the car is covered with black grease. There is foam star, resulting significant current change from white to black. We consistently upload new videos every week, so please show turn on the notification bar to stay updated on every message latest content. Thank you for following us. First, we begin by panning upon and cleaning all the areas of the car, with special attention given to tires for more dark greening. Afterward, we utilize water pressure to effectively eliminate and efficiently remove all contaminants from the vehicle's exterior. Have you happy exterior? So cleaning the touring car like this one? Answer in the comments. After completing the car wash, we proceed to apply foam and detergent on the vehicle's surface. Thank you for copying and starting the video. I hope you has met your expectation. We genuinely appreciate your feedback and we try to hear your thoughts on the content. If you enjoyed thus far, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the notification bell icon to stay updated on future content. Your support means a lot to us. After 5 hours of work, we have successfully cleaned the Peugeot 206 car, completely eliminating all the grease and black spots. The body color has been restored to its original state, returning from black to its original hue. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bar. We eagerly anticipate and presence in our next coming videos.